Introducing the OnePlus Nord CE5, designed for massive performance and beast battery life. It features a huge 7,100 mAh battery and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex processor, all enhanced by OnePlus AI. The OnePlus Nord CE5 has received excellent ratings, averaging 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 4,000 reviews. Over 2,000 units were bought in the past month, demonstrating its popularity. Get the OnePlus Nord CE5 for just 24,998 Indian rupees with 14% savings. You can also opt for no-cost EMI with your HDFC Bank credit card at 4,166 Indian rupees per month for 6 months. Experience flagship-class performance with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex. Achieve a 1.47 million plus Antutu score and up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM for ultra-smooth multitasking and snappy app responsiveness. It features the biggest battery ever, a massive 7,100 mAh, providing up to 2.5 days of use. A 10-minute charge gives you over 6 hours of YouTube. Bypass charging provides direct power for extended, stress-reduced gaming. Dominate BGMI and CODM with ultra-fluid, lag-free gaming at up to 120 FPS. High-touch response rates give you a split-second edge in every battle. Capture stunning moments with the 50-megapixels Sony main camera with OIS. Shoot 4K 60 FPS videos, vibrant stills using flagship RAW HDR, and take selfies with vivid colors and natural skin tones. Enjoy the dream screen, a 120Hz AMOLED display with Ultra HDR. The Aqua Touch feature ensures confident swipes, even with wet or oily fingers. The OnePlus Nord CE5 delivers massive power with its 7,100 mAh battery and 80W fast charging. It offers smooth performance and great visuals. However, some have reported mixed feedback on sound quality and heating.